Hey everybody, I want the entire world to hear me say thank you to the Philippines and to all Filipinos. Thank you for your smiles. I can still remember the time when I got off the airplane and every single Filipino smiled at me. Every single person. Thank you for your warm, welcoming hospitality. I cannot even begin to count the number of meals that were given to me while I lived in the Philippines. My stomach was always full because you are all so kind and gracious and willing to give. Even if it was the last of your rice, you gave it. And you always gave it with a smile on your face. Thank you so much. Thank you for your strength. I was in the Philippines at the time of Typhoon Yolanda, and I was also in the Philippines during the time of the massive earthquake in Bohol. And what I witnessed was beautiful. No matter what happened, no matter how big the storm or how great the earthquake, or how bad the devastation truly was, you always woke up the next morning with a smile on your face and a positive attitude, and you fed your families and you helped your neighbors and you got back on your feet, and you always said to yourself, it's okay. Everything is going to be all right. Thank you so much. Thank you for your faith. I watched so many families live with the light of just one candle, in hopes and with faith that the sun would rise the next morning and that they could praise God for His light. Thank you so much. And lastly, thank you for your pure love. When I was more than 7,000 miles away from my family, you took me in and you loved me like I was your own son or your own brother. Never have I felt more loved in my entire life than the time I spent in the Philippines. You loved me for who I was. You helped me realize that life is much more than just being happy. You helped me realize that life is about loving other people and also about being loved. I truly, truly believe that every single Filipino heart was carefully designed and created by God with the purpose of spreading love throughout the world. Who I am today is because of the Philippines and the Filipino people. It is my goal before I leave this earth that I can leave it with a pure Filipino heart.